Good morning, everyone. First and foremost, a happy new year to all of my followers, all the people watching my videos. Thanks for the big support in 2022, and let's kill shit in 2023. So we're gonna start things off with a market review, give my thoughts on Bitcoin, low time frame and high time frame, and yeah, talk about what we see. Okay, so starting off on the weekly. We have our weekly range, nothing changed. Range low, range high, still the same. Pivotal mid-range broke below. Above range low, we still say that things look bullish and we can expect a move at least towards range mean and potentially even towards range high. Below, as long as we're below, this is likely to move lower. So we've had a break back inside range but got smashed down. If we get another break above range high, in my opinion, that will be the one to hold. Okay. So moving on to the daily. Well, on the weekly, actually, let's take a look at this structure, right? So we've had this ugly wick to the upside and then an ugly close to this candle, and then the next candle swept previous week's low and closed strong, in my opinion, so closed green. I expected upside from there, but we came down again, didn't sweep the low. I started longing, but we'll get into that later on the lower time frames. But now things are looking good again. We have two weekly highs here that are unswept. So let's mark those out. Weekly highs. And then the range low that's capping downside is still this. This candle here. Okay, so low wicked, never closed below. As you can see, support, and now shaping nicely to the upside. So clean unswept highs. We all know what that means. As long as we hold above this area, I think we are heading to take liquidity above these highs. Okay, so I'm in longs. I initially started longing on the sweep of this low. Okay, I was looking, posted it on Twitter as well, for a sweep in there and then a move towards those highs, but we came a little lower. Luckily my stop was good enough and it held, so I'm still long and I'm back in profit now. So as long as we hold above here now, new invalidation, I think those highs are next. Okay, from there what I'll be watching is, so if we go for those highs, boom, and we smack back below, especially like if we do it right now from here, go for the highs, I'll be looking for short hedges definitely here, to trade it back towards the lows and potentially even here. The level to reclaim is this weekly range low. As you can see, these tiny bounces from the level indicate that it's a very important level. So if we start closing some dailies, especially above there, I think that we could be heading back towards the highs and potentially fill in all of this. Okay, but until then, I think it's important to stay cautious. And yeah, if we sweep the highs from here, I think looking for some shorts back towards the lows is a good idea. At least hedge some if you're in spots as well, like me. Okay, so I think up for the coming hours, coming days, maybe towards these highs. There, I'll trim long exposure aggressively on the way up, and see what we get from there. All right, hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.